Today, we are in Spring Hill, Tennessee at this new construction for Cole and Bethany Sweeney with Tennessee Premier Custom Homes. Cole reached out to me on Thursday evening of last week. That makes it about 48 business hours since he reached out to me on Facebook. And we're already here measuring. I've already done the design. I've already done a revision for him, and we're seeing him on Wednesday along with his wife to make cabinet selections for this home. I've gotten the measurement for the walls as well as the window. I'm verifying that the overall is around that 143 mark, so that way when it comes to laying out this island, I know I've got the appropriate walkway. Again, the builder has done us a great service by going ahead and marking out these cabinets, sink locations, stove, something that we generally do, and saves me a step. The reason that we require blocking in the wall for our floating shelf is because they have specific locations where they need to be mounted to the wall or into a stud. So in order to avoid missing a stud, we like to have 2x10 blocking in here so we can mount our floating shelves and they will never fall off the wall. A upper cabinet that's going to go on the wall right here with this window, I can already visually tell that the depth is going to be fine, but I'm still going to verify it. And so that cabinet depth, the upper standard is 12 inches deep. We've got 19 to the interior of the window, take away 4 for trim, 4.5. We're looking at about 14.5 inches. So I've got ample amount of space for 12-inch cabinet depth. When I'm measuring the ceiling height on a new construction project like this, I always like to go in the corners and find a rafter up top so that way my tape will bend real nice. We're about 121. After floors and ceiling goes in, it'll be a proper 10-foot ceiling. I like to lock my tape down so that way I can read the room. I'm gonna grab my plans and flip over to the elevation view for that master bath and mark out so I can confirm that the sink plumbing is in the proper location. Based on everything else we've seen here today, it will be. Now this is interesting. When you see a pipe like this, don't freak out. This is necessary for testing of the plumbing system after installation to be able to pass inspections. He's got HVAC written there, so likely he's got a return that is going to shrink this vanity size. It cannot exceed 34.5 inches tall. Right. Yeah. And then the countertop will go right over it, it'll be completely hidden. I try to make it as clear as possible so that way there's no questions when the plumber has to come in here and move this. Thank you.
See you Wednesday.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Look forward to doing your kitchen next.